What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Citadel. Let's go see what's up. Of course, we are hitting up the Nike outlet out of the Citadel. Man, 13 minutes after opening, I am late as hell. All right, let's go. Let's see what's up. All right, today it is a Friday. You can see this compared to Sunday. That Asian dude right there, he was here last Sunday. All right, let's go see what they got. This spot, the first things you have to check is you have to check the aisles because they have some crazy deals. I'm not seeing anything crazy today, but of course they always have stuff in the clearance section. See what they got. Wow, no 20% off or nothing. Wow. Starting with the small size 7s, got the Air Flight 89s regular price. What the hell? Regular price for these two Air Max 90s. Then the Zion's going for 90 bucks. I haven't tried these on, or I did try them on, but I haven't actually worn them. Size 8s. Oh, these are size 9s. Air Max 97s regular price. JD 15s. We saw these for hella cheap last time. Yeah, 130, dude. 130, not bad. Those are normally 150. Size 8.5. And even the Pex 38's going for freaking 100 bucks. Man. That's gonna be a short trip, dude. 8.5. Another one, 165 for these. 2 bills for these. Dang, the prices went up like big time. I'm tripping out. Size 8 boots. Going for $70. Real tree boots right there. Even the Monarchs go for 55. Yeah, what's up? That's an 8.5. Damn, they must have gone through all their good stuff last week. 130 for these. The wannabe Sean Witherspoons. Those kind of remind me of the Sean Witherspoons. Guess we're checking the size 10, 10.5. Soldier 14s. Retail? Nah. See the one next to it. All right, 100 bucks for those. Still too much. Kyrie 8s. These are size 8 going for regular price. So I'm looking everywhere. Man, I just see a ton of regular price stuff today. What the hell? It's like, I don't know, how is it that they were given the craziest deals last week and then nothing today? I don't know. It's one of those days, man. In the 11.5 section, Air Max 95. Quick Strikes going for $110. Saint Pegasus right here, size 10. Going for retail. Show something like on sale. Oh, that's not even the right box. Size 13. Zion's going for 90 bucks. I think I get my Zion 2s today. Maybe I do a review of those. The Voodoo colorway. Point to Lanes going for 110, size 11. 110 for that colorway as well. Size 13. Center Course going for 95. If you are still watching, you are definitely a purist. And you're definitely one of the real fans because, man, $80 for these, size 14. Reebok Milers, 11.5, go for 80 bucks. I think there's a size 15 section right here, going for 55. Some Metcons, $110 for those, size 15s. And Infinity Run Flyknit, size 13, go for 130. That's about it, yo, that's about it. Oh wait, some Pegasus, $60. That might be the best deal of the day, size 13s. All right, let's check out the aisles. They do have a sale, I think, on fleece, 30% off fleece, so we'll take a look at that, and then we might have to hit up with some other shops, man. Might be a quick vlog. Hydro 6s, remember, no extra discounts. Okay, these have gone down in price. That's what's up, man. If they offered any additional discounts, that might be worth it. Vaporfly Next Percent 2s going for really cheap. That's what's up, man. This has that Zoom X Max cushion, also has freaking carbon fiber plate on there and stuff. Doesn't have the Zoom Air, so you don't get that extra propulsion, but hell of a deal, 100 bucks. These normally were 250. Really not much today. That might be the thumbnail. That's the best deal, I think. Some Wild Horses right here. Pegasus Trail 2s. Another one of those. Air Zoom Terra Kiger 7s. Phantom React Flyknits, Reebok Milers. Oh, okay, if you need a budget full-length React, that's a hell of an option. Not bad. These were going for more last week. Well, they were more, but then it was 20% off, so it probably was similar price. Wild Horse 7s. Another one of these. And then Killshot 2 leathers. And then these might be one of the more interesting things as well. 110 for those. Man. Maybe this is the thumbnail? Only bigger sizes, all the smaller sizes gone. Okay. Plenty of running shoes. Package 37s. Price going down like crazy. I got 20% off on top of this price last time. That was just last weekend, right? Zoom Structures, more Pegasus, and then a couple more of these. There's Vaporfly Next Percents and the Alphafly Next Percent. Okay. Of course, Monarchs. Another one of those. The Go Flys. If they had a different color, I might grab this for a family member. The Alley Oops right here. Air Max 95. One of the better deals here. Not great, but better than most other ones. Air Max 2017. Air Max Motives. Air Max 2090s. Regular price, huh? Witness 5s. Another one of those. Damn, they got a bunch. 70 for those. KD Trey 5.8s or 9s, right? Oh. Immortalities. LeBron 19s. Flytrap 9s. Flytrap 4s, like I said. Another one of those. Dang, got a couple more right here. Zion 1s making a return. Okay, new colorway. Well, new colorway to this outlet at least. Access, another fake Jordan. Liftoff. They're not fake. I hope y'all know I'm kidding, but yeah, they're here. Hydro 6. They had the wrong price on here. They had a $70-something price tag on here. Damn, I should have taken a picture. And then the Delta 2s. All right, no sandbagging. Yeah, this is one of the most mediocre trips we've had in a long time. Dang. If I go to East LA and it's like this, I might change my plans for the day. I was gonna hit up a ton of Nike outlets. Yeah, I might have to hit up some of the malls instead for y'all, because yeah, this is ridiculous. 20% off clearance apparel. This is actually a really good deal. Oh, that's the wrong price tag. That was on another pair of pants, because I was like, that's a hell of a great deal. A $139.97. You do get an extra 20%. That's regular price. What the hell? XL. Fleece shorts going for $50. Got jersey material in between. Okay. Some Jordan shorts with the pinstripe on it. $55 for these. These are actually pretty thick. Okay. This is an interesting find. $68 normally, down to $20. You get an extra 20% off. It's like see-through. I guess it's a running shirt. Okay, that's a hell of a price though, dude. But to be honest, that's pretty much about it. Same stuff we've seen. The penny jerseys right here, size medium, go for $70. Don't even know the price tag of that thing. It's all worn out. What the hell? $25 for that hoodie? That's actually not bad. Those are double XL. So Super Bowl shirt, Super Bowl t-shirt going for $30, regular price. All right, man. All right, we're regrouping, and all right, let's go, man. We're done. Gotta keep track of the Niners stuff for you guys, so we're not totally done. $160 regular price for both these. Man, that's just come on now, $40 for that. All right, let's go check out another spot, you guys. Let's go check out Reebok. All right, we're gonna do a little quick trip to this Reebok outlet. Wasn't crazy last week. Oh yeah, and this is what we were looking for right here. Do have up to size 9.5 right here. Okay. Dang, that's not bad. They have up to size 9.5, and look, it's off of 130. The retail for this is 150, I believe, right? 150 or 160. So not bad. $65, $65 freaking dollars. And then a worker just told me you get another $20 off a $100 purchase. So if you spend $100, you get another $20 off. So wow, I'm just not a fan of this colorway though. Green, I only have one pair of green sneakers. Like I really don't do green that much. Man, that's fire. And they don't have my size either. They only have a size 9.5. And then of course we have to check out my favorite section here. Now these are still regular price. Damn, one of my boys picked this up for 50% off, so he got it for $80, and then he got 20% off for military, so he picked these up for like $60-something, like $62. And that was 2 days, or oh no, that was like 3 or 4 days before I came here though. Yeah, they got up to size 11 in these. Man, if I can get them for 50% off, I would get that today. Solution mids, another one of those. Pretty much the same deal, same stuff we saw last week. Yeah, 100 for these. Yeah, and just not much. They do have these right here. These are fire for what 67.50? Is that the deal? I don't know. 135, 50% off. Oh, and then no, because you still need $100 to get that. I really don't not see much, you guys. Not seeing much. Got some 7.5 Omni pumps right here. These are the green ones. Yeah, these are the green ones. They got those out there. All right, I did talk to the workers. Yeah, I had them check to see if they had any other sizes. 9.5, that's the biggest they got, man. I'm gonna be honest, I definitely would pull the trigger on these. I don't even like green, but I just love the silhouette so much. Such an iconic throwback shoe for me. I don't know, maybe the other ones will go on sale now that the sneaker game's slowing down. I don't know. That's fire. 65 bucks, dude. $65. All right, let's go. Go check out, I don't know, one more spot maybe? I don't know. All right, we'll do a real quick trip at this Adidas since it was a huge line last week and we didn't go. All right, let's check it out. So this is the temporary smaller Adidas outlet for now while they remodel the rest of the place, the rest of the big shop. Okay, we got a little clearance section right there. Also got the back wall, 60% off. All this mess changed to more of an urban look with the fencing and stuff. Look at this though. Dame 8s. I didn't even know the Dame 8s were out and they're already 50% off. So $60. They have up to size 11, 10s. Oh wait, they even have a size 12. Holy cow. Holy cow. Harden volume 6s only up to size 6 right here. $140 for those. 50 off. And one of the human race. What is this? The PW 0 to 60. Only kid sizes up to size 7. 60% off of those. Some Don issue 3s, probably 50% off of those. They have a size 11, size 12. So they got some bigger sizes in these. Okay. And then Ultra Boost, 60% off, 130. Only a size 13, but holy crap, what is that? That's what for, dang dude, that's under 60 bucks. Yeah, about $60. Holy crap, 60 bucks, a couple dollars under 60. Wow, 100 for those, only kid sizes though. Pure Boost 2021s, I didn't even know they made a Pure Boost in 2021. These are comfy as hell, dude. But yeah, man. 65 for those after the 50% off. Climacool Ventos go for $40. And then of course Ultra Boost, $130. Another one of those. It's just cold ready ones. 2022s even on sale. 2021s. They got this. No box. Oh, is that the one? No. Oh yeah, this is the one underneath, I guess. Size 7.5 only. And those are what? Yeah, $90 after the discount. $90 for these. Only size 9 for those. Oh no, 7.5 through 9.5. My bad. And then 2021 cold readies. Okay, got some deals. All right, guys, that was the Citadel outlets. Yeah, we hit up Nike, we hit up Reebok, we hit up Adidas. Nike was pretty mediocre, man. Nike was mediocre as hell. Nike portion was way shorter than normal because there just wasn't that much to show you guys. I did hit up quite a few Nike outlets after this, and this is the only spot that didn't have a sale. No 20% off the back wall or anything. They're probably low on stock, like I've always mentioned. Nike outlets is all about inventory management, and I think most retail shops are like that, where it's just all about how much they have in the back, and if they have a bunch, you're gonna see sales. If they don't have much, you're not gonna see sales. Like, that's just kind of the way it works. So they probably don't have that much, so that's why they don't have any sales. The other Nike outlets, most of them had 20% off the back wall. So go check out some of the other Nike outlets. Dude, that Reebok, to see them Omnis on sale, 50% off, especially 50% off a sale price. Like, that's freaking dope. If they had my size, I probably would have picked them up, even though I'm not a huge fan of green, but I did look into that, a 10.5. I probably could have fit a 10 too, so I probably would have just grabbed the 10 if they had them, but only up to 9.5. That's it. And the Dame 8s, I was so surprised to see the Dame 8s. I didn't even know the Dame 8s were out. And we're already seeing them 50% off. Man, like sneaker game definitely is different, guys. Definitely has changed. The economy has changed, so I think I've talked about it plenty of times, but make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I did show some of the biggest finds at that outlet. I also showed the biggest finds at some of the other stores that I did go to, because I want you guys to have a chance to grab some of the stuff if you guys are local. And YouTube just not the way of getting that information to you guys nowadays, because back in the day when I first started the channel, I could show you guys and then, you know, sneakers would be there a day or two later, but that's just not the way it is nowadays. Literally have minutes to go grab sneakers, go pick up stuff. I shared a bunch of stuff, including some what are those, the Crocs deals and stuff like that, and some of you guys were pretty excited about that. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. That's where I get most of my sneaker news, so you guys should be on Instagram even if you guys don't follow me or not. Y'all should be on Instagram. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Make sure you guys help a boy and press that like button. If you're new to the channel, press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell. Plenty of videos. Should have a video every day this week. I'm also going to be out tomorrow because I need to go find a birthday present for someone. So got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.